Well, if you do, then you're out. Okay, all right. So, okay, Dominique, put a marshmallow in your mouth and say chubby bunny.
That's not my game.
Just stick it in your mouth, hold it there.
Chubby bunny.
Okay.
Chubby bunny. Can I chew it?
No.
Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny.
Okay, put the second one in. Okay.
Chew it as a watermelon.
They
can't chew it away, can they?
No, you can't chew it. You can't.
Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny.
Okay, for the third one.
I can't do it.
Okay, it's okay. Try and just see if you can say chubby bunny. You can't do it? No. Okay, one's out. Okay.
Stop laughing.
Can you say chubby bunny?
Do it, Caitlin.
Well, they might not be able to either, so we'll see.
Chubby bunny.
Okay, she did.
Chubby bunny.
I knew you could do it.
She ate all hers. Chubby bunny.
Yeah, she ate it.
She ate it.
Are they all in there? Good day.
Okay.
Do it, Caitlin. Do it. Little moss.
Don't make her laugh.
She can't do it.
Don't tell her that she can.
You can do it, Caitlin.
Okay.
Push it back.
Can you say chubby bunny?
Kind of nasty.
She got it. Okay. All right.
Look at these pictures.
Oh my God.
Look at that picture. Go ahead, Kiba. You can say it. Push it back. Go ahead, Dominique. Put it on the side of the cheek.
Come on. I watched the Blue Man Group this weekend, and they put over 3 dozen in their mouth. Uh-huh.
They adults though. That's the difference.
Whoa. Okay. All right. You think you can do one more?
Come on, stuff it in.
Chew it like they doing.
No, you can't chew. You can't chew.
Stick it in your cheek.
Yeah, you got it.
That's nasty.
Do it, Caitlin. It's so soft. I mean, it can melt in your mouth. You can like see them all in there.
Okay. Let me see those other marshmallows. I can't believe she's got them in there. Okay, can you say?
Got cheeks in.
I know. They're in there. They're in there. Hers are in there. She just has them back.
You see, America do it.
She about to get it.
We said America do it.
She about to gag.
That's what I
Can you
was
say it?
No, it's banana. Pickle it.
No, that's Maggie. She did. She said it.
Jerk over there.
Her, bless her heart. I don't think she's gonna make it. No. She's tried. She's a good sport. No. Okay, now you two still have to go through. Okay. We have to get somebody out.
Stuff it in on that other cheek, girl.
Huh? Wait just a minute. We have to see. Oh, make her stuff another one in her mouth. Come on. Oh man. Okay, smackdown time. She's making you put another one.
She can't. Come on, do it. Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny. She said it.
Okay.
Still going. You got that big mouth.
I'm amazed. She can't do it. Okay. Yay! We have a winner. She's got to do one. You have to say chubby bunny with one more in your mouth, actually, yeah.
No, okay.
She can't do it either.
Go, go.
Okay, go. Okay, okay. Put her down, Otherwise it's a tie, isn't it? She can't do it either.